Okay, my office has been taken over by little monsters with fur. There's a baby. Yeah. There's a Raphael. Now where is Gabe? Oh, we're gonna climb up my leg? You better play. She is doing so well. I am so thrilled. Ah, here comes Gabriel. It's still a mess in here. I haven't had time to do any sorting and cleaning with her after the remodeling. Jerry's done. Did you hear that? Thunder paws. There's another one. Come on, you guys. You gonna do it? Come on. Hey, Raphael. They've been just doing all kinds of fun stuff here. What you doing? Huh? Getting tired? They're not supposed to be in here, but the little gate that separates them, I came through and I wasn't quite quick enough. And they just adore being out here. Run, 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 and this one's the fastest one to get out, believe it or not. Nola's coming today and we're hoping to get you a bath. I was going to do it yesterday and I didn't get a chance. Oh my. Oh my. There they go. Get him, get him, get him. Get him, get him. What you doing? What you doing? That tail sure goes, Raphael. You should stay out of that bag. That's the bag that a donation stuff that came back with Robin and Hawk. Oh my. Anyway, you see what I gotta put up with. It's just terrible. Everybody should have to work in this environment. Where you going? Yeah, they're busy. Busy, busy, busy. Okay, I gotta try and get some work done. I don't know. Babies everywhere.